37 days in India, UK's F-35 fighter cleared for a test flight. Remember, the aircraft has been stranded for about 5 weeks now, or more possibly. The British F-35 fighter jet is set for a trial sortie. Sources are telling India today that a team of around 24 experts have repaired the technical issues with the F-35. That the fighter has been repaired. Team of technicians is set to return to the United Kingdom tomorrow. F-35 is most likely to be moved from the hangar today itself. There could be a trial sortie. Next steps on its return, eventual return to UK will be decided only after that trial is finished. So it's been already 37 days in India after, remember, it made an emergency landing at Thiruvananthapuram International Airport. This was 14th of June. Since then, there have been British technicians also in the country and working with the Indian team to repair the aircraft. Shibimol KG joining me for the latest on that. Shibimol, from what appeared to be a question mark, what happened, how did this British aircraft arrive here and why, to full-on jokes and memes, and now 37 days on, what is the confirmation that you can bring to us? Is it on its way out?
Well, Pooja, it looks like, there's a final end to all the trolls and memes that's been flooding the social media since the last many days. To be precise, since the last 37 days, as the F-35, you can see behind me in the visuals, has been brought out of the hangar to the bay right now. Now, tomorrow is when it is expected to fly back. As you rightly pointed out, there will be a trial run, there will be a trial sortie that will be taken out before the final confirmation that will come in about it flying back. But what we're understanding from the airport sources is that the technical issue that was reported has been fixed and it's been brought out of the hangar. It was moved into the hangar around 2 weeks ago when the technical team from the UK arrived. Now, the technical issue has been fixed. It is likely to take the trial and then mostly fly back tomorrow.